So now, as you can see, we have a lid who's completed. There is going to be a 3-part tutorial on this lid. You'll have this part, the filling in part, and then the rim. Now this part's only like a 5-minute video. It's really not that much detail. It just kind of shows you how to sew it, and you know, and how easy it is. But the tutorials will be later on, listed below, so you can just click on them and see the videos. Now as for this, we did the hearts earlier in a previous video, so the heart should already be completed. Now we just want to fill it in. So your heart is going to give you the same border line here. So that's how you know where to start and where to end each section. So you're just basically just filling in the space on the heart. So like, see how here this one's not filled in? So we're going to fill it in. So how that works is you just go behind here. Excuse me, I have a little sore throat. And then I always run it through. And then you're going to go, and you always go in the first one. And see here, it's kind of like a diamond. Makes like a little diamond shape. So you're going to go in here. And then you're going to go in this one. So now you've kind of completed like a little diamond shape. A little here. Like a little diamond shape there. And so you're just going to continue to go until you completely fill it in. And then once it's all filled in, then this side, this piece is complete. And you just go in each one. And you'll also have to keep in mind that you want to go in the hole that's where you've already previously stitched. So keep that in mind as well. See, I've already previously stitched in that hole. You always use that hole, whichever one you've previously stitched in. Now, as you get further into this design, we're going to end up into the holes that we normally don't stitch in. That's okay, because once it's complete, you're not going to notice. It'll just look really nice. See, like here on this one, we're going to go in that hole. Now with this design, your corners aren't going to really match up that much. You're basically just filling it in. Trying to speed up the process a little bit here. Oh, and also, now see how this last stitch here is this stitch here? So now you're going to go all the way to this one. So once you get to the last part of the stitch here, that's when you're going to start with your line. So here we go. So I wanted to make that a point too, so hopefully you notice that. And then now our seam is going to be in line with the hearts and also with our trim, our border, if you notice that it kind of almost matches. It's almost in sync with it. And the great thing is, if you get off-centered or if you make a mistake, and you can always just undo it. Just cut a little snip of it and undo it to where you think it needs to be, and then just close it out and finish it. So now we're done with this side. So now you can see we finished that side. And see how it goes all in sync. See, it lines up here and it lines up there, and it just makes a really complete look. And so I'm just going to finish this side, and that will complete this part of the side. There we go. So I'm not going to cut that off. I'm just going to leave that there. So now you have finished the side, and it's completely filled in. And I think that one's off a little bit. I don't know, maybe just the way it looks. But, so now you filled that in. So once you put the lid with it, what I would probably do is stitch the tissue box together with white, so that this white brings into this white. So I would probably trim it in white. But if you want, like I said, the darker colors are better if you do it in the pink, so that as time, putting it on the table, the counter, grabbing it with your hand, the white might tend to yellow a little. So that's why I said for the sewing the box together, you might want to use a darker color, or darker color of the colors that you have chosen to use in your design. So there will be a 3-part lid tutorial. It will be linked down below once it's published, and there will also be parts of this piece here, videos where you can go in and watch and learn how to make this heart design. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. I do read your comment. Thumbs up lets me know that you like the video and that you want to learn more. I'm trying to break them down into smaller videos so that you can play that video and rewind it and start again when you get to the next side piece. So when you get ready to do the next side, you already have, you can just rewind it. So you don't have to find a certain place in the video where I will talk about the lid or certain part of the side piece. So I'm going to try to make it in smaller videos so you can watch them over and over as you make that design. I appreciate your loyalty. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.